There's got to be a way.
Forget complexity. MiniFTTO uses one optical fiber to replace 5 network cables.
Wow.
One fiber to the passive splitter seamlessly supports wireless, wired, IPTV and analog phone connections.
Excellent.
There's no need for repeated wiring, reducing cabling and installation costs.
Thank you, Sam.
Do more with less.
Maybe I can help. Huawei eKit app lets you monitor devices, fix issues with one click, and plan optical links effortlessly with the ODN tool. It simplifies management and operations across pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales.
Wow, it's such a handy tool. I'll give it a shot right away. Thank you, Sam.
See it all, manage it effortlessly.